This was a sports retail kiosk project we delivered at Westfield Mall in London. The client required the store to open before the Christmas season, which meant the timeline, compliance standards, and distance were all extremely challenging, but in the end, we delivered. Now, I'd like to share some of the key challenges we faced during the kiosk delivery process. Issue 1, mall approval and material compliance. From October 16th to November 1st, the first major challenge was Westfield's approval process. Westfield required all fabrics, leather, foam, and acrylic materials to carry international fire safety certifications. However, certified fabric covers and acrylic panels were not available locally. After multiple discussions with the client, we adjusted the solution to flame retardant materials. The shop drawings were also rejected and revised 7 to 8 times. In addition, the installation team had to pass a strict pre-qualification process, and we supported the client by preparing and submitting the required documentation one by one. The approval process felt like a wall, but our value was clear: to refine every detail until all standards were fully approved. Issue 2, production and quality control. After production was completed, time pressure led to several issues. The reception counter was missing a lock. The logo panel was installed in reverse. Most critically, the specified M10 bolts were mistakenly replaced with M6 bolts. Once these issues were identified, the factory worked overnight to rework and correct everything. The root cause was a detail missed during the secondary drawing development, where standard practices were applied without realizing the specification change. We believe that the tighter the schedule, the more attention details require, and when mistakes happen, they must be resolved immediately. Issue 3, logistics and customs clearance. Logistics became the biggest challenge. The client's appointed freight forwarder was unable to handle the new inspection requirements, causing the transportation process to break down. We stepped in and took over the coordination immediately. A 3-meter oversized and overweight shipment was rejected by the airport. We coordinated continuously between Guangzhou, Hong Kong, and Chengdu airports. Additional requirements, such as packing photos, 24-hour cargo holding, and flight rescheduling, caused further delays. Eventually, the cargo arrived at the warehouse on December 12th, but for every problem, we provided a solution. Our goal is never to deliver something that is good enough, but to bring all parties together and achieve a truly deliverable result under real-world constraints. That is the value of M2 Display. If you are planning a store opening or renovation, please feel free to contact M2 Display.